How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ace, and today we're checking out Forestella, Chagall's Dream. So it's been a minute since I've checked out anything from Forestella, and I was looking at the description. There's really nothing there to tell me where this is located or what this is about or anything like that. But from what I gather, it's inspired by the artist Marc Chagall. So yeah, I'm excited to check this one out. So I say we go ahead and get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And without further ado, Forestella, Chagall's Dream. Here we go. It starts off really nice. I love the orchestral piece that we're getting here. Oh, it's a whole festival. Okay.
Sun is going down. Birds are getting ready to begin their wars. The stars align to light up.
At first, I thought we were seeing them sing, but no, we're not. Okay. It's very whimsical.
Lovers in a garden, hope is blooming in the air. I can believe the way I am every time I'm with you.
I like how it's getting bigger. That's good.
Stars in our eyes, couldn't be happier walking through storms.
As it went into the chorus too.
Holding you tight, lips are in sync as we sing along poems in sea of trees. Love, we can sing or fly above.
Love the harmony.
There's not a world that can come between us.
A Forestella show looks like a lot of fun. Yeah, I love how they're going about this. They're at a festival, just setting everything up. It's kind of like we get to see a bunch of behind the scenes, them practicing and everything. It's in like widescreen. And as they get into them performing on stage and everything, you see the screen like extend and get bigger and just fuller as it goes into the chorus. And it's really awesome visually how we get to go from them doing behind the scenes and rehearsing to their performance itself for all the songs that they're doing at this festival. And it's a really cool visual. I think it goes really well along with that. The instrumental portion of this, it's orchestrated. There's something very whimsical about it, almost like Disney-esque. It's just, I don't know, there's something about it that's just really calming and just something that kind of takes you back to your childhood watching all the Disney films and everything like that. The vocals that we're getting here, everybody is so clean with their vocals. As the song progresses, we get harmony from everybody, and it's like at first we get 2 members and then 3 members and then 4 members. Like it just progressively adds more and more to it, which I think is fantastic. I also love throughout this, each member is equally taking a turn vocally, and it's great. Everybody's equally like spreading their talent, and I think that's fantastic as well. Nobody's hogging the spotlight or anything throughout this. It's very equal. I think that's great as well. And I think in combination with the instrumentals, vocally, it kind of gives off this like waltz appearance, and it just has this like great elegance about it. I don't know really how to describe it except for that, but I think it's very fantastic. I'm really enjoying how they're bringing this together. I'm really enjoying how they're performing this, and I'm ready to check out the rest of it. So let's go ahead and get back to it. So here we go.
Well, love stays like follows. We are lovers universe in the green. I can't believe the way I am every time I'm with you. Stars in our eyes, couldn't be happier walking through starlight.
I love the range that we're getting too.
Lips are in sync as we sing along poems in sea of trees. Love, we can sink or fly above like shadows swim. There's not a word that can come between.
All right, so we do get to kind of see them perform a little bit of it. Those are really cool. I thought he was about to do a backflip. Man, confetti cannons and everything. There is a lot of stuff happening at a Forestella show. Yeah, I really love how elegant this whole performance is. Like it's not over the top or anything, it's not, very minimalistic either. It's just like the right amount of balance between vocals and instrumentals and how just easy flowing the instrumentals are throughout this whole performance. It's really great. Again, just seeing all the different performances that we get to see throughout their whole concert and just all the different stuff that they're doing, all the lighting that they have, all the different performers they have on stage doing all the dancing and like the confetti can, like it just seems like a really amazing experience to be able to go to for a Forestella show. The audience, they have these little wand things as well, so like it's really cool visually getting to see those from a distance as well, and I'm sure they do things with those, like with the crowd and everything. So I think stylistically it's really cool as well, just to see all of that. And looking over the lyrics, some of the stuff that they're describing in here, I get this feeling that these are paintings by Chagall. Like sun is going down, birds are getting ready to begin the waltz. The stars align to light up in their own heavenly colors. When you speak a word, the trees dance in waves like the ocean in the spring. The moon lights up as the darkness arrives in time. And at one point, I do believe we got to see a moonlit backdrop of some sort as well. So I think that could have been maybe one of the paintings that Chagall did. I'm going merely off conjecture, for this. So if y'all have any ideas of what's going on here, definitely let me know. Because I mean, they go through this song and they vividly describe a lot of things throughout this, and I think it's really awesome. And it really just goes along with the instrumentals and everything. I think it's fantastic how they went about this, how they put this all together. And I would not mind checking out more from Forestella. If y'all have any suggestions or anything I should know about, definitely drop those in the comments below. Would love to check those out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the description for all the cool stuff like the socials, the link to the video, the buy me a coffee link for any priority requests. And if you made it to the end of the video, comment #Chagall. I think that's it for this reaction. Check you out in the next one. Bye guys.